This, my friends, is the Bosch EasyAquatak 120 1500 watt motor, 120 bar of pressure. They do three models. They do 100 bar, 110, and this is the 120. When I picked this up from Amazon, they had it on the lightning deal for £63.99. Normally it retails around, I think, £110. Now, the regular viewers must have seen my review of the Karcher K2 Premium. I still do have that, and if you're new to the channel, if you want to watch that review, I'll link a card above, and I will also leave a link in the description. But this was at a good price, so I thought, why not give it a shot. Inside you get manual, you get the foam nozzle with the canister. Bosch called this the rotary nozzle. This is more focused, so it'll be good for stubborn dirt. This nozzle, Bosch call it the variable fan jet nozzle. You get a 5 meter pressure hose. You get the lance. Good thing about this is it's all a push fit system. Push, fits in. And then to release, push, and it releases. The actual gun itself. The gun does have a lock. So when you push this, it's locked. Push that, it's unlocked. To fit the pressure hose, again, it's a push fit system. So you'd push that, put the hose in, then release. And to remove the hose, push and it release. This fits on the side like so. The lance would live on there. You can also put the gun on top of the handle, so it's easy to store away. Putting the lance onto the gun is pretty straightforward. You just push that in and twist. That's on secure. Onto the main unit. This weighs 5 kg. On off switch there. Bosch, this has got the self-priming system, so I could use it out of a water tank. This little connector would fit on there. Flat from the bottom. It does have an information sticker there at the bottom there. I don't know if you can see that. This side is where you would fit the pressure hose. Again, push fit. Push and it goes on. Nothing on this side. Bit of branding there. Bosch EasyAquatak 120. Let's take it outside and give it a go. My friends, I'm outside now. Apologies for the noise because children are playing outside. It's on nice and secure. I've got the rotary nozzle on first. And just turn it on. As you heard that, it kicked into life. I feel as if the rotary nozzle isn't doing enough, so I'm going to switch over to the vario nozzle now. I've got the vario nozzle on now. If you twist it to the left, it closes. When you twist it to the right, it's open. So I'll be trying it closed first, and then I'll open it halfway through. That's letting a lot of water out, so if I hold it and twist it, that's open now. You can see it's gotten rid of the weeds because it's more focused when I've got it closed. There you go, friends. That was a quick demonstration of the Bosch EasyAquatak 120 pressure washer. Before I get on to summing up the pressure washer, I apologize for the audio when I was outside. I had some difficulty with my microphone. Anyway, the pressure washer, it is good build quality. I mean, you would expect that from Bosch. You do get a 3-year guarantee, but make sure to register online. It is a nice compact size, so for storage is really good. However, if you have a large area to clean like I have, and I've got more than one car, it makes it difficult. There's no wheels at the bottom, so you've got to keep picking it up and moving it around, and that does get frustrating. The other thing, It does have a 1500 watt motor, but I didn't find it as powerful enough as I thought it would be, because a 1500 watt motor is no slouch, is it? Well, it's not supposed to be anyway, but in this case, I didn't find this powerful. But this is more marketed to people who have a small area to clean, and if you live upstairs and you can't get a hose pipe, because it does have a self-priming pump, so you could use the water from containers or tanks. You could put the hose pipe directly in there to use the pressure washer, so you don't have to physically connect it to a tap, because if you're in an upstairs building, that's impossible anyway. But if you've got a lot of area to clean like I have and cars, I wouldn't recommend this pressure washer. For a small area, yeah, it's fine. Thank you very much for watching, my friends. I'll see you in the next video.